What are the color you have, Ashrith? The boat color?
This is orange, this is red, and this is black, and this is yellow, and this is blue, and this is green, and this is violet, and this is pink.
What are you going to do with these boats, Ashrith?
Leave the boat!
Oh, you're going to leave the boats where? Water. Oh. What is this name of this lake? What's the name of this? Redman Lake. Oh, you came to Redman Lake to leave the boats. Okay, pick all your boats. Let's go and leave there.
I think one.
Yep.
We are going to get nasty.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to make nasty.
What color is that? Okay.
Oh, it is moving.
Okay, it's moving. Ashwin, can you leave your boat?
Oh my goodness!
Oh, that's an orange boat.
That's one more either.
Okay.
It's another boat. Come on.
Okay.
Woo!
Okay. You can go ahead and leave your boat. Take care. Watch your food. Yep.
No.
Wow. Your boats are floating. Good. Oh, yes. Can you bring your remaining boats? Go ahead. Yellow color boat. Okay, the lid is almost there. Orange, black, and yellow. And here is the pink. Okay. Wow. Yeah, go and pick the other colors. Go. Come on. What color you have?
Blue, violet.
Okay, you have blue and violet. Wow. What? Yeah, red, orange, black, pink, blue, yellow, and purple. Wow, what are you doing, Ashrith? What are you doing? What do you have in your hand? What's that? Water gun. Okay. What color water gun is that? What? Red. Okay. How? You are helping the boats to move with the help of your water gun? Wow. Wow. Ashwin is also pouring water with his water gun. Good.
My phone's not working.
So, your boats are almost there. Wow, it's traveling awesome, Ashrith. Yes. Yeah, it looks pretty.
I have a present now.
Oh,
Now I'm going to open.
okay.
Oh.
Wow, nice puzzle. So, can you explain what and all is there in your puzzles?
Yep.
So, what's your puzzle boat color, Ashrith?
Well, blue,
What color is that?
green.
Oh, it's a green color puzzle boat. Okay, what else? Can you fit your puzzles now? What's that?
The big giant ship.
That's a giant ship. But doesn't it look like a giant? It looks like a very small ship. Okay.
Someone big.
What color is that?
Blue.
Okay, where are you going to fit that?
Here. Moving.
Good job. Next.
Submarine.
What color is that?
Blue.
Okay. Where's the submarine goes? There. Very good. Next.
Red.
What is that?
Bus.
That's a bus.
The bus.
Okay.
It is here.
Good. What's that?
Train.
That's a train engine. What color is that?
red.
Red color train engine. Choo choo, choo choo. What's that?
This is yellow color airplane.
Yellow color aeroplane.
Now it's right here.
What is that, Ashrith?
Boat.
Okay, that's a boat.
This one's big hill.
Okay.
And it's a boat.
What color is that?
Yellow.
Okay.
I can fit.
Mhm.
I think.
Next.
Whoa! Yellow cow.
Okay.
With wings. This one yellow cow. It's yellow. This one big hill.
Very good.
I can run.
So you're done with your puzzles. Awesome. So can you tell us one more time what and all you have in your puzzles?
Huh? This is yellow cow. This is yellow ship. And this is yellow airplane. And this is red school bus.
School bus doesn't look in red color, Ashrith. The school bus looks in yellow color. Okay.
Same.
Okay, that's a normal bus, red bus. Okay, then what do you have in red color?
Red train to
Okay. In the video it looks like a pink color. Okay, then blue color.
Look how we have blue color ship.
Okay.
Blue color submarine.
Good job. So you're done with your puzzles.
Yep. Oh.
What is that, Ashrith?
Pinwheels.
Oh.
They're coming together fight.
Oh, the pinwheels are fighting.
Yeah.
Okay, what are the colors in the pinwheels? Can you explain us the colors?
Okay. Green.
Which one is green?
Oh, the green color is dot. White color.
That's green. Okay. Where's the blue one?
Oh, here I am.
Oh, that's a blue one. Can you sing your rhymes?
Blue color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Green color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Wow, they both are fighting.
We have three bags. We have red, orange, and blue. And they all fun.
Oh, you bought everything for fun. Can you play with that? The bats also fighting each other.
I think.
Oh, it's giving high five. Okay. Then what else you have? Oh, you have a gun, water gun. So what's the color of that water gun?
Blue color, where are you? How do you do?
Oh my God, you're pushing water on me. Okay.
Red.
What color water gun is that, Ashrith?
Red.
Okay. Oh my God, you do have two guns. Are you going to shoot me?
No.
Then?
Wow.
Can you? Oh, you both are there. Okay. Can you tell us the colors, Ashrith?
Okay. Orange color. Where are you? Here I am. How do you do?
What's that? What's that?
Blue color. Where are you? Here I am.
Good. And all you have, Ashrith?
Vegetables.
Oh, you have some vegetables. Can you tell us these colors?
Red, green. I don't know this.
That's red chili.
Red chili? I think so.
Okay, then
Baby corn.
what color is that?
Yellow baby corn.
Yellow baby corn. Okay, then
Green.
green. What's that?
Baby.
What's that?
We have green color.
Lactose.
Too strongest for the whole world.
Okay, then
We have beans.
green. Green chili.
Chili. It's the strong one in the whole world.
Okay, then
And a pumpkin.
oh, pumpkin. What color is that?
Orange. We're holding it.
Okay. So you're done with your colors today? Okay. Say bye to your friends.
Bye! If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye friends! Watch my videos to